Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo and welcome to this video where we will discuss the difference between food design and food design thinking. It is important here to differentiate between food design and food design thinking to make you see how one fits into the other. Food design is the design process that leads to innovation on products, services, or systems that intervene in the production, procurement, preservation, transportation, preparation, presentation, consumption, or disposal of food. Food design is the process that brings innovation on anything that has to do with food or eating, like dishes, food products, food services, food events, and food systems. Food design is simply the connection between food and design. Food design thinking, on the other hand, is the part of the overall food design process that uses creativity to generate new concepts. Food design thinking accompanies the food designer from having no idea of what will be designed to a well-formulated concept. The rest of the process that goes from having the concept to having a product on the supermarket shelves or a dish on somebody's plate or opening the doors of the restaurant is the last part of the food design process. In this food design thinking process, though, you will find in the last phase execute a few methods that will help you to continue into the natural design progression after concepts are defined. Food design thinking is the process that triggers creativity and leads to innovative, meaningful, and sustainable propositions for new dishes, food products, food events, food services, food systems, and anything in between. If food design is the discipline that brings about any type of innovation in the field of food and eating, food design thinking is the answer to the question, how do I innovate in the field of food and eating?